When the head of the FBI said he would not recommend charges against Hillary Clinton over her email scandal, there were a lot of questions. Now the public will see some of the raw FBI notes that led to that decision. Portions of the FBI report of its investigation will be released very soon, possibly in a day. And tonight, we have confirmation that at least some of the thousands of emails deleted and not turned over to the State Department dealt with the issue of Benghazi, Libya. Clearly not falling into the category of personal emails. Chief Intelligence Correspondent Catherine Herridge joins us now with new developments. Catherine.
Well, thank you, Brett. Hillary Clinton has said consistently that she turned over all her government emails, but tonight the State Department is confirming about 30 records that may be related to the 2012 terrorist attack are among the thousands recovered by the FBI from Clinton's server. The department is working to confirm the exact number and whether any are duplicates, and already posted online as more records from the FBI become public.
Law enforcement sources say portions of the FBI's investigation into Hillary Clinton's email practices could be released as early as this week, possibly Wednesday, but emphasized the review is ongoing. President Obama's spokesman said the White House is not involved.
I've seen those reports. I can tell you that the White House did not consult with the FBI about that decision or any of the other decisions that they've made in terms of handling some of the investigative material.
After FBI Director James Comey's July statement where he recommended against criminal charges,
we are expressing to justice our view that no charges are appropriate in this case.
Media outlets filed Freedom of Information Act requests with the Bureau, forcing the public release. The expectation is that the redacted files will likely include the FBI's recommendation to the Justice Department against criminal charges, the summary of Clinton's FBI interview known as a 302, as well as the backup notes from agents who questioned her. While the FBI director said there was no evidence of criminal intent by Clinton and her team to move classified information outside secure government computer networks, Republicans who read the FBI files sent to Congress earlier this month claim agents never pressed Clinton.
He said he didn't go forward with charges because she didn't have specific criminal intent. I didn't see any questions on that. She said she did it for convenience, but I didn't see the follow-up questions in the interview I read.
Today, the Clinton campaign welcomed the files' release. And before the news became public, the FBI director was speaking at a cybersecurity conference where he joked about avoiding more discussion of the closed national security investigation.
I'd like to take your questions, and I'm hoping you're going to think up a question that has nothing to do with Secretary Clinton's emails.
Then the FBI director addressed increasingly aggressive foreign hackers who are targeting political committees and voter registration databases.
We take very seriously any effort by any actor, including nation states, maybe especially nation states, that moves beyond the collection of information about our country and that offers the prospect of an effort to influence the conduct of affairs in our country, whether that's an election or something else.
Today, two more Democrats joined Senate Minority Leader Harry Reid, calling on the FBI to investigate alleged connections between the Trump campaign and Russian interests and whether that relationship contributed to attacks on the Democratic Party websites. Brett.
And Catherine, we've been following this Judicial Watch lawsuit that they didn't get a deposition under oath with Hillary Clinton, but they did. The judge said that she had to answer questions via email, and today Judicial Watch basically provided those questions.
That's right. Judicial Watch released the 25 questions that they put to Mrs. Clinton. Several are multi-part questions, and you can see from the questions that in some cases Judicial Watch appears to already know the answer, but they want that get into the permanent court record, and she has until September 29th. And of course, she's got a debate before then to prepare for.
The 26th.
Yeah.
Catherine, thank you.
You're welcome.